And of course, when the light hit these things just right, man, these things like glitter. It like shines, man. I like the way this looks. I really do like the way this looks. But look, before we get into this Kobe Dunk Low Potro Team Red Merian away, before we get into this kick, I actually want to talk about something that might not, I don't know, to me, it's actually kind of dope. I don't know if this is a new thing that Nike is doing, but the box that this thing came in, I'm talking about like, it's like super sturdy. And because it's super sturdy, this box was perfectly shipped, man. We didn't have no issues with it. So we have the traditional Kobe box. We gotten this box quite a few times. Kobe logo, you see the snake scales there. You see the gold Nike there, and you also have a gold. This is what I like to call a nose hole. Yeah, you see Nike put that there just for your boy MTIP. Shout out to everybody who's tuned in. Make sure you go ahead and tap that like button, subscribe, do what you do. Always appreciate you. Shout out to everybody I met over the weekend at Black Arts Festival out in City Park. I had a blast. A lot of heat on feet. I wasn't able to really capture. I didn't really pull my phone out and started capturing because I like to do that. But anyway, I gave a lot of compliments and a few people tapped in. So I want to say what up to you. Man, let's take a look at these kicks, man, because this right here, now this is on a Sneakers Reserve. I reserved this shoe a couple of months ago. Retail price $135. Pretty good price. And this is one thing that I do love about the Dunk in particular. Now, I don't own that many Dunks. Actually, the only other Dunk I have are the Woo Dunks. It's the only other Dunk that I have. But this right here is going to be something special. Not just because it's a Kobe, right? Shout out to Kobe. Not just because it's a Kobe, but we tend to get like a lot of bang for the buck. Pause on that. But we get a lot of bang for the buck when it comes to certain silhouettes and certain dunks and SBs and stuff like that. And this is one of them. So let's take a look at this. Now, for starters, you see we have that red, we have that team red, we have that Nubuck suede on there, which does turn colors. It actually, you do see the material change. It does turn colors. And then we also have like that Chenille patch there. Right on that swoosh. And we have that Chenille patch on the medial and lateral side right there. That kind of reminds me of like the Bugs Bunny 8 as far as like that material. Also reminds me of the Jordan 3. What are those? The Tiana Taylor? The Jordan 3, like the green pair? Not the roses. But anyway, you know what I'm talking about. But that Chenille patch there, you know, feels really good. Feels nice, soft, and gentle to the touch. And the material that we have just laced all throughout the rest of the shoe, man, it feels really good. Let's take a look at Kobe's jersey right there from high school to Merian High School. You see we got the jersey number right there. We have that embroidered Kobe signature right there as well. You can see the details on this kick, and it looks really good. Going up the tongue, we kind of have like a perforated tongue there along with the Mamba symbol as well. You'll see how that look. That looks nice and dope. On the inside, now this is what makes this shoe really worth it and comfortable, because we have that React. Now, scales on the outside, you see the scales there, but man, when we have that React, look at that. Man, talk about sturdy, talk about comfortable. This is gonna be it right here. This is definitely gonna be it. I went ahead and copped these for, like I said, retail price of $135, size 12 and a half. Give myself a little bit of extra space there. The resale for these started off really high. So when the reserve went through and then the reserve went away, the resale was high. Everybody's pairs came in. Resale has crashed. It's all good. I'm not looking to resell these. I actually want to pop these on foot. I'm gonna get some more footage here. I'll make sure I get some more footage of on foot. So just probably make another short. Make sure you tap in to the shorts as well. These also come with an additional spare set of laces. Spare laces right there. Now, I do like the trimming. You see the trim and the piping right there on those laces? That's really gonna set this shoe off nice, only because of the white trim that we have all throughout this shoe. Behind the tongue, it says friends hang sometime. Yeah, I know. It says friends hang sometime. All right, so real quick, as I was making the B-roll for the video, because y'all know what I do, I actually make the initial video first, and then I go back and shoot the B-roll. Anyway, as I saw that, right behind the tongue, it says friends hang sometimes, banners hang forever.
Write that down.
I almost missed that, but that's tough. All right, let's get back to it. All right, really nice. That's embroidered right there behind the tongue as well. And we also have here, it says, due to the natural materials used in this product, color migration may occur. So just kind of give you a little warning there. And then we also have like a little booklet here that's attached as well. Let's take a look, see what's inside of that. That bad boy. Yeah, it kind of talks about the Kobe Protro dunk. So it kind of gives you a little information about the Protro and the insole and stuff like that. Man, overall, I'm sure this is gonna be like super comfortable. And one last thing to do is to take a look at that outsole. You see we have that Mamba symbol. We do have the Kobe swoosh. And then we have like that Mamba. We got that snake right there, right on the outsole. Yo, solid kick. They smell amazing, but of course they do. Solid kick. We'll go ahead and slap these other laces in to show you what they look like. This react, man, I know it's gonna be comfortable. Like I said, I can't wait to get these on foot. Man, I've been so busy. Enjoy another video. So always loving this end. Thanks for tapping in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Another shoe I have on reserve. Are gonna be like the New York Knicks 3s. I went ahead and reserved those. I don't know when those are. The app said it was coming in December. Look, don't matter. Whenever they get here, they get here. And tomorrow we have the True Blue 3s. I think the True Blue 3s are gonna sit. I think they're gonna sit. Everybody in the Mamba's gonna have them. I don't know. Jordan 3s haven't really been getting any love like that anymore. Tap in, comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in those True Blue 3s. I am going to get them. And that video will be coming soon. It's always loving this end. Thanks for tapping out. We out.